Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Satwa Lumina, which is located in Rajanukutte, North Bangalore, a project developed by Satwa Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel and it starts from here. And about its marketing office, so it's just on my left hand side, over this side. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So what is exactly Housey? So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project will be constructed on total 13 acres of land parcel with 8 towers in all, with all the towers of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, starting from studio apartment, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Rajanukutte, North Bangalore. And now let me show you the main road and the connectivity. So basically this road will connect you towards Doddaballapura, and the opposite side road that is behind me will connect you towards New Yelahanka town. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. You can connect to BMS College in just 5 minutes. Omega Multi-Specialist Hospital is 10 minutes away. RMC Galleria Mall is 15 minutes away. Sankampiguda International Airport is 25 minutes away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the interesting part, and that is the amenities. So this project provides you 50 plus world-class amenities. Let me show you, this is the grand clubhouse with swimming pool, including all indoor activities and the games, with the kids play area, garden area. This is the cricket pitch, jogging track, multi-purpose court, basketball court, skating ring, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and as mentioned, this project provides you studio apartment, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies, where studio apartments start from 424 square feet super built up area, 1 BHK 690 square feet, 2 BHK starting from 1100 square feet to 1250 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1506 to 1800 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now, where we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual land parcel with the sample flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Satwa Lumina, which is located near Rajanukutte in North Bangalore, a project developed by Satwa Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.